Kate here with WTI, and camping just got a whole lot better with this portable camping shower from Swess. Now what I absolutely love about this is how simple it is to use. You do not need to plug it in. It is battery operated, rechargeable, and can make showering anywhere a breeze. Now this set even comes with its own bag. It's a 20-liter bag, so you fill that up with water. If you're camping, you can always warm your water first on the fire, and then you are good to go. It comes with a suction mount, or it also comes with hooks, so you can even hang it right from a tree. We happen to have a privacy tent, so we can use it in there. It comes apart for easy portability, but it's really easy to put together. You just submerge this part in water and it will pump it out. It has nice pressure. It's adjustable, so you can have stronger pressure, or you can save your battery and do a lighter stream, but it does an incredible job. You can even pump right from a lake if you want. It comes with an extra attachment that's great for dishes or for smaller jobs, or you can have the full shower head attachment. It works so well. We just love having the convenience of it to be able to shower on the go or wash anything on the go, and I think you're gonna love it too, and that's my point of view.